Hi and welcome to another short tutorial. So I've had a few requests to demonstrate how I apply striping tape to nail designs without the tape lifting. I'm sure all of us at one point cringed every time a client made this request. I could never seem to get the tape to stick well to the surface while creating the design, or worse yet, it would lift within days after the client's appointment. If this is a struggle for you, hopefully this video helps. Let's get started. When you're ready to apply the striping tape, you can simply remove the inhibition layer and then apply the tape. However, I find using a no-wipe top coat is pretty close to a guarantee that the tape will stick to the nail. So here I've applied my ugly Duckling no-wipe top coat and cured. Now I go ahead and place the striping tape. After I've placed it where I'd like, I trim the ends. To ensure that the tape is not going to lift at all, we want to encapsulate it. You want to use a thin viscosity builder gel. My favorite gel to use is One Step from Light Elegance. This gel is thin and self-levels quickly. I prefer building nails and then applying the color on top, so I don't want to add any extra bulk to the overall nail. Plus, this keeps the striping tape close to the nail surface, which in my opinion gives a nicer look to the design. Apply a thin layer using a floating method over the design. Give it a couple seconds to self-level and cure. Now make sure the surface is smooth by buffing over it. File any pieces around the edges of the nail, top coat, and cure.
What does perfect even mean? Is there even such a thing? Ooh, can we switch up all the rules?
Now we'll stop talking so that you can sit back and watch the remainder of the video as I repeat these steps with two other easy designs.
My heart is begging me to get the hell out of my head. I'm gonna live inside the upside down for a minute and pretend, honey, I'm a perfect 10. Whoa, whoa, honey, I'm a perfect 10. Whoa, whoa, and if I say it enough, it gets ingrained in my head, and I start to see, honey, I'm a perfect 10. Honey, I'm a perfect 10. Whoa, honey, I'm a perfect 10. Honey, I'm a, yeah. Yeah, I've discussed it with myself, and I'm disgusted with the way we're told to have a certain face, a certain weight, because we aren't pixels on a screen. No, we're human, we breathe. Every single thing we see curated, it's overrated. These expectations, they keep weighing me down. My heart is begging me to get the hell out of my head. I'm gonna live inside the upside down for a minute and pretend, honey, I'm a perfect 10. Whoa, honey, I'm a perfect 10. Whoa, and expectations.